Madali lamang pong mag-open ng ating Cbank account. Kung nag-a-affiliate kayo dito sa Shopee, ay malaking tulong talaga nitong Cbank dahil ito yung nakalagay na default sa payment settings ng ating Shopee affiliate. So kung wala ka pang Cbank, ay kailangan mo na mag-open ng account. Kung hindi mo pa alam kung paano, ay tuturuan kita in this video tutorial. Kaya naman stay tuned until the end of this video dahil tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano. Hello guys, this is Dot and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button to be notified sa ating mga bagong uploads. Dahil nag-upload tayo dito ng mga video tutorial makakatulong sa atin to earn money online. Madali lamang pong mag-open ng ating Cbank account. Ang kailangan lamang po natin ay pumunta sa ating Shopee account at i-click natin yung Me sa baba. Upon clicking Me sa baba, makikita mo dyan sa iyong menu yung Cbank. I-click mo lamang yung Cbank. Para mas makita ninyo ang step-by-step procedure kung paano tayo mag-create ng account dito sa Cbank, nandito po sa ating screen.
Out for free. Cbank, we are processing your request. Ayan, we can open an account and deposit up to 10,000 and maintain a month for 7 days. So, punta muna tayo dito sa Cbank. So, kailangan natin na mag-open account dito. Kasi ito yung default na bank na kailangan natin dito sa affiliate program. Open or link an account. Okay, we will send verification. Click next. And we will create a password that can be used for login and transaction authentication. And click confirm. ID. Activate now. Successfully activated. Verify identity. Start verification now to open a Cbank account. Verify using your Shopee Pay details and information for faster verification. And take a photo of your ID. Provide a Philippine-issued ID that's accepted by Cbank to proceed your application. Identity details. So ito na. Nakalagay na nga dito yung ID ko. Yung aking driver's license ito. Puno natin yung ating ID. Yung ating ID before tayo mag-proceed sa next step. Okay, tama lahat yung mga details dito. Kaya naman, ini-next na natin. Country of birth, Philippines. Occupation, lagay mo lamang yung application mo dyan. Company, industry, government. Okay, company name. Okay, source of fund, salary, purpose of account, savings. Are you a resident or green card? No. Residential ID same as ID address and your email, and click next. Terms of service effective February 1. Our terms of service will be updated on our website to clarify referral programs, Dominici debit card. Welcome to Cbank. So ibaba mo lamang yan, pwede mo rin yan basahin lahat. Kung di naman, click mo yan. Scroll mo lang down, then click mo I have read and agree to the terms of service, and click next. Ayan, link with Cbank. Your phone number is linked to my Shopee account, which is itong Debt Free Laya. Link your Cbank account to Shopee. Instantly use your Cbank balance for Shopee payments by linking your Cbank and Shopee accounts. And link your Cbank account to Shopee Pay. And click natin itong link. And lagay tayo ng security code natin. You've successfully submitted your application. We'll inform you within 2 banking days. Application successful, yun kaagad. Successful kaagad siya. So get started with Cbank and click continue. Ayan. So scan and pay merchant, QR, PH code, and earn cash. Open Cbank. So ito na. Meron na nga tayong Cbank account at yung available balance natin is 0. Ayan. So, napakaganda. Successful. Shopee Pay account link successful. Shopee account link successful na link na yung ating Cbank account sa ating Shopee Pay and sa ating Shopee account. So, ganun lamang po kadali na gumawa ng account dito sa Cbank. Mismo sa ating Shopee. Kasi malaking tulong ng Cbank sa atin. Okay? Especially kung affiliate tayo sa Shopee, kailangan natin itong C-Bank. So, pag i-click mo yung C-Bank, ayan na. Dito na siya papasok yung balance natin. At pwede na natin yung i-transfer once merong laman yung ating C-Bank, pwede natin ito i-transfer.
Ayan, naka-open na nga tayo ng account dito sa Cbank at pwede na nating i-withdraw yung ating mga commission sa ating Shopee affiliate at na-connect na rin ito sa ating Shopee Pay and sa Shopee account. Kaya malaking tulong talaga nitong Cbank sa atin. At pwede rin tayo mag-deposit dito sa Cbank kasi nga meron din silang yearly and annual interest. So makikita mo dito yung interest. Katulong sa inyo ang video nito. For more video, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell para notified kayo sa ating mga bagong uploads. If you have a comment, please feel free to comment in our comment section. Sisikapin po natin yung sagutan. Again, this is Dat and thank you for watching.